Hello learners, welcome back to Learners Galaxy. It's day 5 and today we are going to learn conditional formatting. So today's target is applying conditional formatting rules to highlight the data. So let's jump into it. So what is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting in Excel is a powerful feature that allows user to automatically apply formatting such as colors, icons, and data bars to the cell based on their values. This can help highlight important information, identify trends, and make data analysis easier. So here is a sample data set in which we will use conditional formatting. First, let's highlight devices with a battery level below 50%. First, we will choose the range. Then in the Home tab, we will go to the conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and less than. Here, we will put 50 and OK. So now devices with battery level below 50% are highlighted, making it easy to identify them. Next, let's highlight devices with a temperature above 25 degrees Celsius. Here, same, we will choose the range of the data. Then in the Home tab, we will go to the conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and here we will choose greater than, and we will put 25 here, and then OK. The temperature above 25 degrees Celsius are highlighted, making it easy to spot potential issues. In the conditional formatting, we can also highlight those which are duplicates. So first we will go to the highlight cell rules and duplicates values. So here all the duplicates values are now highlighted, which make it easy for us to do a detailed data analysis. There are many more options from which we can do the conditional formatting, like less than, between, equal to, text that contains a date occurring, and more. So lastly, let's differentiate between active and inactive battery status. So first we will select the range, then go to the conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and we will choose text that contains. Here we will put inactive and then OK. So now all the inactive devices are highlighted, helping you quickly identify them, and that's how you use conditional formatting to enhance your data analysis. So that's all for today, and we will meet in our next video, so stay tuned. Thank you.